going on, everyone? So I finally got the 3M tape for the side. It's red, so I can put it on the side. This way you can protect your the rims and the sides, so you don't hit the curbs too bad. And what I like about it is when I install it, it would also cover the edges of my chrome delete on top, so this way the chrome delete won't come off easily later on in the future. It's been already like 7-8 months, but no issues. But still, it's like extra safety or whatever. But yeah, let's begin. See how it looks. I'm just trying to add red contrast to this blacked out car. So, and I'm also gonna get what's it called? I got so many ants over here. That's crazy. Whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna get a decal on the sides since I already got one in the back and front. So that's how it looks. I really like the look of it. I just gotta put red calipers, I think. That's what I'm missing. But yeah, that's how it looks right now. I guess once I do all four, then you'll see a lot better view. Alright, so what's up, YouTube? Check this out. I only had that red in the front before, so I figured I have to get, you know, something on the sides as well. So I got a little bit on the vinyl on the top side mirrors. So I got those, and then I just installed this right now. I had 26 feet of this, and actually fitted all 4 wheels. So that's how it looks. And I still got maybe about 4 feet, I mean maybe 5 feet left over. That's how it looks. It's this side, and then this side's done too, and it sticks pretty good. Like it's awesome. Show you from the side. That's how it looks so far. And I'm working on adding a red vinyl in the bottom, like the aerodynamics area right there. And then of course, a lot of subscribers are saying to get the calipers red. That's what I'm missing. So yeah, that's how it looks overall. I hope you guys like it. I really like the look of it, more aggressive, and especially the black and red contrast always go together. You can never be wrong with that one. So stay tuned, like, and hit the notification icon bell, and support the channel. So I appreciate it, and I hope this video was helpful. And the links are in the description below. This product was really good. Like the 3M tape that was on it was really good. So yeah, that's about it.